We're gonna cook baked chicken, people, in Sautéing kitchen. Hi guys, so this is the drumstick. So we're gonna cook baked chicken drumstick in the oven. So we have 10 drumstick here, people. We have 1 white onion, we have 1 small red bell pepper, we have 1 green bell pepper, we have 1 stalk of spring onion, we have 6 cloves of garlic, we have 1 small carrot, we have half of lime, we have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, we have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, we have 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, we have 1 tablespoon of ketchup, we have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, we have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, we have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, we have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, we have 1 teaspoon of dry thyme with parsley. So in Sautéing kitchen, people, gonna cook baked drumstick in the oven, people. Hi guys, so what we're going to do now, we're going to season up this drumstick to put them in the oven. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil over it, because I noticed when you put the olive oil all over it, they hold the season when you put the season on it, and it don't make the drumstick so dry. So I sprinkle a tablespoon of olive oil, and this are going to mix up all of this season together: the onion powder, the garlic powder, the dry thyme with the parsley, and the smoked paprika. So just mix up everything over there. So I just put on the mix up a lot of olive oil on the chicken first before I add the season on it. Just add sprinkles and season over it now. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge to marinate for around an hour. So you guys put the season to your tolerance, to your like. You can see that dry thyme, you can see that dry parsley on it. Let me take off this bag. This bag ain't doing the job what I wanted to do. Sprinkle a little more season over it. I like my chicken to marinate properly. Yeah, the old fashioned way. Just put your hand in it and get down in it, people. Oh my God, you can smell that seasoning in that chicken already. Smell that onion powder. You can smell that garlic powder. That smoked paprika. So I'm gonna cover this up and make it marinate for around 1 hour. Yes, people, so I just season up the chicken. And people, you can see all of the dry thyme and the parsley and everything on it with the smoked paprika. So I'm gonna leave this to marinate for around 1 hour. Yes guys, so what I do now, I'm gonna add a piece of cling film over it to make it so, okay, I'm gonna leave that to marinate. So I just put a bit of cling film over it to seal it. So you don't want hair to get in this, you just want to seal it properly. When you seal it properly, seal it like that. So I'm gonna stop this in the fridge now. Just change the bowl. I use a smaller bowl because the big bowl cannot fit in the fridge. So now I'm just gonna put this in the fridge for around 1 hour, and then after I'm gonna pre-warm my oven for 180 degrees. Hi guys, so I just put a bit of file paper in this tray because I don't want it to stuck in the tray if I don't put in the file paper. I ain't gonna put no oil on this. So now my chicken been marinated for the last 50 minutes. I was gonna give it an hour. We've been marinate. So just take off this cling film off of it. So it's not a really big chicken leg. It's a small drumstick. It's not too big. So you don't want to put them too close on one end and make them stuck. give them a little bit of space. Like that. Because you know, in Sautéing kitchen, we're always doing something new, people. And thank you guys to subscribe. And if you guys are watching my video and you don't subscribe as yet, please hit that notification bell, so when I post a video, you guys will get it. And please subscribe. And then I have a piece of chicken breast as well. Put the chicken breast there. So I'm gonna start that in the oven. Looking at my beautiful people. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now, guys, and then I'm gonna check it like every 10 minutes. I give it a check and then I turn them around. And the oyster sauce and the soya sauce and the ketchup, when the chicken nearly done cooked now, I'm gonna mix up this oyster sauce and the soya sauce and spread it over the chicken. I don't want it to get dry. Hi guys, so this chicken in the oven for the last 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna turn it over on the next side. I'm just gonna spin them over. Give them some space. So they was in it for 10 minutes. I put a time on it. So this is not a big chicken leg. It's a small chicken leg. So it's not not hard to cook. I'll turn them over like that. So I'm gonna give them another 10 minutes. And then after, I'm gonna put the oyster sauce and the soya sauce and the ketchup on it. So just turn them over like that. So I want them to cook on the both sides. So now I'm just gonna put them back in the oven for the next 10 minutes. And then I check them again. Hi guys, so this chicken been in the oven for the last 20 minutes. 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the next side. So I'm just gonna add in the lime juice in this. Just give it a mix like that. You just mix up everything. The oyster sauce and the soya sauce and the ketchup. So I don't put in no pepper in this today because my daughter is here and she's gonna eat some of it. She don't like pepper, so I just use a brush. I just use the brush and just paint it over like that. So I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna put it back in it for another 5 minutes, and then I do the next side. So just paint it over like this. Because I have all the season, all the spice in the chicken already. So I want to get the chicken nice and mild. I don't want the chicken too dry. Just give it a beautiful color. Just paint over all of them. Because if you don't do like this, the chicken gonna get dry. You don't want to a dry chicken when you're eating the chicken. You want the chicken to be nice and juicy. That's it, people. Look at that. So I'm gonna save the next rest for the next side. We're gonna put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Yes guys, so now we're just gonna prepare the onion and the bell pepper and the garlic. So I ain't gonna use no oil in this. I'm just gonna put a piece of butter in this. Put around a tablespoon of butter. The butter give it a different flavor, a different taste. So the chicken at the oven for the last 40 minutes. So you want to get all of that butter off. It's gonna add in the onion, the bell pepper, the garlic, and the carrot. So just gonna give this around 5 minutes. Turn the fire a bit. Just gonna make them caramelize a bit. I ain't gonna burn them off too much. So I like my food with a little bit of color, because I don't like a plain food or a bland food with no color in it. So when you have a beautiful colors, oh my god, that food looks nice, that food looks delicious. So if your food don't have enough color in it, it don't look nice. So I like my food with a beautiful color. If you notice, I didn't use no orange bell pepper or no yellow bell pepper. I just used the carrot instead. Looks so beautiful already, baby. You can smell it. Just gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme with parsley. A 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I like a pinch of black pepper. Give that a stir. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that, people. So give me a thumbs up for the video, people, and please share the video with your friends and family. Sautéing Kitchen, we're always doing something new. We have a lot more recipe coming out. So anybody subscribe to my YouTube page, thank you very much. All of my new subscribers, them, welcome to the family. All of my old subscribers, them, thank you guys to keep on support Sautéing Kitchen, because we are one big family. And Sautéing Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. So I'm just making some garnish now for the chicken. That's beautiful, that finish. Look at that, people. Yes, people, this is all finished. Look at that, that is beautiful. So I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of, pick some garnish for the chicken, people. Look at that, that is beautiful. Guys, please give me a thumbs up for the video. Look at that, people. So I like my food with a little bit of color. Yes, people, this is all finished. Look at that, people. Look at that beautiful color. Your food have to have color, people. If your food don't have color, it don't look like it. Your food does say, wow, that food look delicious. That food, I can eat that food. So please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please share the video with your friends and family. Share it with everybody in the house. Tell them about Sautéing Kitchen, because Sautéing Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. We have a lot of cake making, like a juice making. Please subscribe. And if you're watching my video, people, and you don't subscribe, you're free to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, because Sautéing Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So people, take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Sautéing Kitchen.